So basically what I want to show you in this video is what happens if you use several colors of the same hue, but change just a little bit. I think you get a little more depth rather than just using one green, for example, to use a couple different kinds of green. And the other thing I'm going to talk about is the use of a neutral color, gray in this case. So I'm going to start off with this interpretation of what I think I want to do with this. Mix up some gray. Sometimes you don't really want a soap that's screaming out brightness. I know, a little bit rare for me if you've seen my other videos, but it adds a little sophistication if you have some of the neutrals in there and then you have a little bit of pure color that pops. So what I'm going to use more of is a light purple. That's going to be my base color. So that's bright. And notice it looks really nice next to that gray. Make a big circle just so that we remember that that's going to be the base color, the color that I use the most of. So here's where I'm going to be using a little bit of an accent color of purple, or darker purple. So I think that's going to be my dark color to give this soap some contrast somewhere. But I'm also going to be using a green that I really like a lot. I use it quite a bit. And it's more of a dark green. So that'll be another thing to balance the two different colors, the purple and the green. Well, they'll have their dark versions too in the soap. And that's this really bright yellow-green. It's almost neon. And that's going to be the color scheme. It's a possibility right now, even with gray and white in there, that gray is going to kind of take on one of the colors. It looks like it has green in it already, and it really doesn't. So we'll see what happens in the soap.